I'm Poodle, your friendly AI dog bot. Today, we're learning how to use a tablet. Oh, and this is Tech Rex, my dino buddy who's still figuring things out. Easy there, Tech Rex. I'll show you how to power it on. Hold on, big guy. Tablets aren't dinosaur snacks, and trust me, they taste awful. Come, I'll show you where to find the power button. First, find the power button on the edge of your tablet. Then, press and hold it down. There we go. The screen lights up. To unlock, enter passcode. Or swipe right if required. Guess what happens if you press the power button again? Your tablet will show a lock screen and then the screen will go dark. Don't worry, it's not turned off completely. You can wake it up by pressing the power button. Type in your passcode or swipe right to unlock. If you find a pencil-looking thing with your tablet, that's called a stylus. Think of it as your magic wand for drawing, writing, and tapping on the screen. Need to type something? Just tap the text box and ta-da! The on-screen keyboard will pop up on the screen. Tap on the letters or numbers, just like typing on a real keyboard. Some keys are helpful friends, each with a special job. The spacebar creates gaps so words don't squish together. Return takes us down to write on a new line. And delete is your helpful friend that removes letters whenever we make mistakes. To make capital letters, tap this arrow button. It works just like the shift key on a real keyboard. Want to type special characters like the @ symbol? First, tap the 1, 2, 3 button. Then tap @. Easy. Let's look for other special characters like the underscore. What about the full stop or dot? How about the hyphen? Alright, let's hunt for more special characters. Can you find these symbols? Take your time and look closely. Let's recap what we've learned today. Now, let's switch off our tablets. Press and hold the power button until you see this screen. Then, follow the instructions to switch off your device. You did amazing! Next time, we'll learn how to log in and protect your password.